Looking for the ultimate comfort food? This cheesy baked ziti is loaded with rich meat sauce, creamy cheese, and perfectly baked pasta. It's easy to make and perfect for family dinners. You'll need 1 pound ziti pasta, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 pound ground beef or Italian sausage, 1 small onion, diced 3 garlic cloves, minced 24 ounces, marinara sauce, 15 ounces ricotta cheese, 2 cups shredded mozzarella, cheese, 1 2-cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, salt and black pepper, to taste fresh parsley or basil for garnish. Start by cooking the ziti until it's just al dente. Drain and set it aside. Meanwhile, heat olive oil in a large skillet. Cook the onion for about 3 minutes until soft. Add the garlic and cook for 30 seconds. Add the ground beef or sausage and cook until browned. Drain any excess fat. Stir in the marinara sauce, Italian seasoning, salt and pepper. Simmer for 5 minutes. In a large bowl, combine the cooked pasta with half of the meat sauce. Add the ricotta cheese and mix gently. Spread half of the pasta mixture into a greased baking dish. Top with half of the remaining meat sauce, 1 cup of mozzarella, and half of the Parmesan. Repeat the layers with the remaining pasta, sauce, mozzarella, and Parmesan. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Let the baked ziti rest for 10 minutes before serving. Garnish with fresh parsley and enjoy every cheesy, delicious bite. If you loved this easy recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more homemade comfort food recipes.